Welcome back to A Ride in the Country. I'm Cliff Fawcett, your host. Today, we are at Mid-Ohio Raceway, and we are at Vintage Motorcycle Days. And I'm in the middle of the swap meet, and this is the second time I've been here, and it's like a happening place. So much activity, so much going on, and gonna have a lot of fun activities. Gonna ride around the lap for history, where you get to ride on the track. Gonna watch some pit bike racing. Gonna see some bagger racing. Gonna see some vintage bikes on the track. All kinds of stuff. So stick around and stay tuned, and you'll learn more about Vintage Motorcycle Days here at Mid-Ohio Raceway. Matt! How are you, man?
I'm good, how are you?
How was Oshkosh?
Pretty good, yeah. Good
Got a
time.
nice suntan.
Good sunburn going, yeah.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna let you guys eat dinner, and we're gonna keep roaming. We'll be around. We'll come back and see you.
All right.
So day 2 of Vintage Motorcycle Days is about to start. Rick and I are here at the hotel, getting ready to head back over to the racetrack. You can camp, and we have camped before, but nothing like a good night's sleep in a hotel bed. So we're headed back over to the Mid-Ohio for day 2. All right, we're out here, set up by the track, got our tent, got the bikes all unpacked, and going over to register for a lap for history.
First and foremost, thank you for coming out to day 2 here of the Lap of History at the 2025 AMA Vintage Motorcycle Days. This is a great event, and you guys are all part of it, so we thank you very much.
Right down on it?
Yeah.
What a kick. I'm riding on the Mid-Ohio racetrack. So fun. I've only done this once before, and I was on my scooter, and so I couldn't really go very fast. Not that I'm going fast now, but I was limited to 40 downhill with a breeze behind me. So this is more fun. Less scary that someone's going to run me over. Ooh, there's somebody to my right. Slow riders keep to the right, which means yeah. Thunder Valley. The carousel. Hello. Thank you. Thank you. I made it. Day 3 here at Vintage Motorcycle Days at Mid-Ohio, and we are all set up again and ready to go find out what's happening. One thing that I neglected to say so far, and this should be obvious, but maybe isn't obvious. If you're coming to this thing and you've never been before, you need to bring a bike, because if you don't have a bike, it's really a pain in the neck. It's hot, there's a lot of ground to cover, and everybody has a bike. I think the ideal bike is probably an older, low displacement, like a Trail 90, which is what Rick has, and it would be a great bike. But there's all kinds of bikes here. But if you think about coming here without a bike, think again. Day 3, well, let's go see what we can find.
Everybody, thank you. All right, so as you can see, these guys are wheelie masters, and we're going to step it up to the hardest wheelie we can do right here. Pat eyeing up this ramp. He's going to put that front wheel up and roll down backwards. Oh my goodness, as if wheelies were not difficult enough. Pat says, let's go the opposite way. Small two, eyeing it up. Oh, in that front brake, dragging it down, right that nose wheelie backwards. These guys are not... Thank you guys very much for working today. So watch for that change. Couple back and forth.
All right, another Vintage Motorcycle Days in the books. If you didn't get out this year, try to come out next year. It's a blast, lots of fun, and a different experience for each person. Personalized. Do the stuff you like, don't do the stuff you don't like. All right. Don't forget, if you ever want to go for a ride in the country, but it's too hot, too cold, too wet, too dark, you can always join me here, right on YouTube, for a ride in the country.